Hey, you know what's crazy, man? It's funny how everything has an expiration date, like egg, bread, shit, even weight gain pills. You can't even buy coffee. Everything got expiration date. Like it's fun. Even we got expiration dates, man. Like I can see it now. I can see like what if we knew our expiration date, like when we were gonna something like when we were gonna spoil like food or some shit. I can see some females now saying, girl, I gotta hurry up and I gotta get my vagina egg, girl. This thing gonna spoil in about 4 days. I gotta hurry up. And, you know, it been in about 2 weeks. It was only like $3.85. You mean tell me I gotta wait the next month for somebody to get their EBD stamps and get me another load? I mean, I just can't do this. I mean, that's just not right. Or they saying, girl, I gotta get my titties sucked on or something, man. These things about to expire, man. Got mold and everything. All kind of mold coming out the milk and everything. That ain't cow milk. That's caterpillar milk. That caterpillar milk coming out the breast.